Welcome back to my new features 2022 for the October Microsoft release. So this one is a small little change, but honestly something that gets asked for quite a bit. So the ability to be able to see lines in list pages. So this is something that I used to get asked for all the time. So people would say, I need to see how many times I've shipped a certain item or how many times I've invoiced a certain items. People will need to use that for commissions, different reasons. Previously, you could always see your posted sales shipments, your posted sales invoices. You could see the header information, but drilling into the lines in some instances was difficult. So now, if needed, you can always search for, let's say, posted sales, and you'll notice if you click on Show All, you have posted sales invoice lines, you have shipment lines, credit memo lines, lots of different line pages now that you didn't have before. So if I needed to, for example, see, well, how many times have I shipped a specific item? I could go to my posted sales shipment lines. Now I can see all the line-based information. So we can see here that some of the documents may repeat, and that's because they had 3 lines on it. So if I wanted to look and see, well, how many times have I shipped the Athens desk? I can leverage all the handy Microsoft filtering that you have. So now I can see all the shipments. If I want, again, just leveraging my filters, I could say, well, I want to see everything within a certain posting date. So let's just say posting date between 1/1 and today. So now I'm able to see everything that was shipped just this year. I can then obviously, using again, just great Microsoft features, I could open that in Excel where I could then pivot it if I want and create some little reports or lookups. I can share it in Teams to another team member. But one of the key things that I just really love is the ability to be able to then drill down, do some inquiries, do some analysis, and just kind of drill down a little bit further, more than I was able to before. If you have any questions about this feature or any of the features in Microsoft, whether it's the release that just came out or just in general, please feel free to contact us using this contact information here.